How to fix invalid MAC address on Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, in order to fix your issue, start by performing a power reset. That is, by unplugging your TV for 60 seconds and then plugging it back on. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that make sure that your Wi-Fi router is working. You can turn it off and then turn on your Wi-Fi router again. Now, another step in order to fix your issue is that just go to Settings from the main home screen and then go to All Settings. From here, go to Connections. Now from here, go to Network. Now over here, you'll see Reset Network. So tap on it in order to fix your issue. Now the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that just go back to the main home page and then go to Settings. From here, go to All Settings again. Now, once you come here, go ahead and select General and Privacy. From here, scroll down all the way till the bottom. And then you'll see Factory Data Reset. Select this option in order to fix your issue of invalid MAC address on your Samsung Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.